Hi, how are you doing today? Today in this video, we are going to see how we can enhance the mouse controls, the mouse movements, the dragging, the selecting, and there is no any other better way to do that other than the paint exercise. Without wasting any time, let's dive in. Okay, on the desktop, we are going to come here. For example, for me, I'm using Windows 10. Windows 10 Pro. For those who are using Windows 11 Pro, the search bar is always here in the middle, or another version you are using, you can always search. For example, we come here to paint. I type in paint. This is the paint I want to use, this one. Click, you double click. I'm double clicking using the left button. I use the left button to double click. Okay, you can see if I'm going to draw a house, I click on this one. This is the rectangle. Left click, you come press, you press down the left button and move it slowly. You can move it slowly. Then you come, you pick the triangle, hold it, move it gently. That's a house. It has no doors, so you can come over here to our rectangle, this one. Click, you have to click and you drag. Don't release the mouse, the button. Once you click, you drag up to when you are satisfied with the size. That's when you release it. You click, you move it up to when you're satisfied. This one has gone up. If it has gone up, you can just hold it and drag. The main essence of this exercise is to equip you with the power skills like control skills. It enhances your skills for mouse control, how you move it, how you can press the cursor. This is how you can move this cursor around. So that's why we do such exercises, to enable you to be able to control your mouse movements. So if you want to paint our house, we can come here, you choose the color you want to use, red. Then you come here, this is a painter, click on the painter. You can come, this is the house. You can, if I want to use blue, I can come here, click, come inside here, click, and I'm trying to go a bit slow. Okay, we come here, this is the color yellow. Click, because we still have our this painter is still inside, still locked in. So you can come over here, any space you want, you click. I'm using the left button to click. That's our house. Now let's draw something more challenging. Let's go to something more challenging. Okay, we don't want to save this one. If you want to save it, we would go here to file and click save as. Normally these images, they are better to be saved in JPEG. So you can always click on this JPEG and save it. For this time, we don't want to save anything, so we're just going to make a new one. So we can come here, new, don't save, Okay, now we are going to draw emoji. We are going to draw our emoji. Okay, we click on this oval. It's like a circle. We can draw it here. When I'm drawing, I just hold it down and move it to the direction I want. Nothing else. Just hold it down and move it to the direction you want. Don't press anywhere. You just click and hold the left button down. Once you hold the left button down, it will move exactly to the point you want it to be. So okay, now for the image, we clicked on this oval. So you come, click, hold it down, move, click, hold it down, you move it around up to when you are satisfied with the size. When you are satisfied, you can release the button. Now let's go back here. We want to make a mouth. You can come over here and use this curve. Click here, you come, click, you move it up to when you're happy with it. This is fine for us. Okay, now you come here in the middle, click and hold. Most of this exercise is about clicking and dragging, clicking and holding, so those will be enhancing our mouse movements. You click and hold, click and drag. That's what we are trying to practice. So this is our happy emoji. You can go to color black. It's already in black, so just click on this painter, click painter, come to the eyes. Okay, click. Now after that you come to yellow. Emojis are normally yellow in color, so you click on this color yellow, come in our image, click. Perfect. Okay, let's draw another one with a different mood. This was a happy one, that was a happy one. So let's try another emoji. Okay, let's first click in this color black. You click on the oval, click. When I say click, I'm using the left button because my mouse is programmed in the left. That's normally the standard buttons we are using left, though you can do some configurations and use another button instead of using the left button. So you can click, you click and you drag it. Don't release the button up to when you are satisfied with the size, then you can release it. Perfect. Okay, let's draw the eyes still on this oval. The eyes, hold it. Perfect. Now let's get this curve. This one I'm using this one. You first draw it the same like the other one, but now the mode is different. So you hold in the middle. Instead of pulling it down, you pull it up. Perfect. You can see the you can see here now the mode is really different. The other one was a happy one and this one is kind of sad. So let's click on the yellow one, yellow color. Okay, you come to fill, you click on this one, you come and click, yeah. Oh, this is the undo. This is the button to undo. If you did something you don't like, you can always click on this one, undo. Okay, it did like that because I used the yellow color to draw this. So we can make it black. Come back here, this one, come back here. Okay, Perfect. That's wonderful. Now, okay, let's use this one. The same color I can put here. Okay, okay, perfect. Yellow, it's here. Okay, now, perfect. That's wonderful. So let's try another emoji in another style. Let's try another emoji, maybe like in a very happy and excited way. Okay, we're using the emoji to keep on practicing mouse movements, because the main aim of this exercise is to enable us to move the mouse and dragging, control, because in the future that's what we are going to be doing a lot, and there is no better exercise to improve our mouse controls than this paint exercise. So that's why even if you're a pro, you can always come back like once in a while and try out your mouse movements by trying to paint something. Okay, let's come to something else, and this is gonna be an emoji again, but it will be in a different mode, more excited. I'm beginning from here. I hold the movement, I drag it up to when I'm satisfied. When I'm happy with it, I release the button. I'm trying to go a bit so slow so that no one is left behind. Okay, okay, it's already in oval. So instead of oval, here I'm going to use different eyes. In this point, I'm going to use a different eyes. So let's try something else here, and we are going to use these ones, the star. I click, come, this is the star. It's gonna be star. This is the star I've used. I click, I've used the star, this one. Now, okay, I go to over again. I click up to when I'm happy. I release. Then I pull it down like that. Now I can go to this one, the line, click, come somewhere. When you're happy, click, move it, release. Perfect. Then you can use this rubber, click, okay, perfect. So this one we can use the yellow again, yellow. Okay, perfect. Okay, black. We can make our eyes maybe blue. You can click on this blue, come, something like that. Okay, if we want, we can add something exciting. Maybe you can come over here, there. You scroll this, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down up to like this heart. You can draw a heart like this, a heart like that, and you make it red, red. Again, paint, click, perfect. Perfect. Okay, sometimes if you leave any of your borders open and you click this fill, color might spill. It will go off your planned area of work. So in order to avoid that, make sure all the borders are closed. If the borders are closed, the paint will not spill out. Okay, let's draw. That's okay, that's amazing. Now we don't want to save this. You can keep on practicing. Let's draw something. Let's draw our last Okay, we come to new, don't save, don't save, don't save. So again, we have a house here. For the house, we want a rectangle here. Click. I'm just clicking and dragging. Click, drag, click, drag up to when you're satisfied. It draws itself automatically. Click, hold, move it, click, move it, click, move it, click, click, click the paint, click. No, whether we can make them blue. Okay, for the house. Okay, click, you click, you come over here, you click. It's all about clicking, dragging. This will trying to enhance our mouse movements. Okay, click, yellow is there, sun, perfect. Click, click, perfect. Then this is a gray. Click, come to the cloud. You can use this cloud. Click, something like that, so you can see in the cloud. Now you can click, okay, click, use the brush, something like that. So you can be more creative, you can do a lot of stuff. But now, okay, that's all we wanted today, just trying to control the mouse movements. Yeah, and tomorrow we shall be doing something more. We shall start practice. We shall be starting the practices, and today it was just mainly mouse controls. We are trying to make ourselves familiar with the mouse controls by using this exercise of paint. That's why we are doing today, nothing more, just enhancing our mouse controls, and we are doing that by using the paint exercise. This paint exercise, you can access it from your computers, and mostly if you are using Windows, you can always come down here and search it, and you just type in paint. Once you type in paint, it comes. Yeah, okay, I'm going to cross from up here. This is the one for crossing. This is crossing, this is maximizing. If you want it to be big, you click in the middle here, and this one, if I click on this one, it will restore down, and this is for closing. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for following. We catch you in the next lesson. Thank you for being good viewers, good students. I love you so much. Take care. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.